Hello and welcome to your daily dose of financial sense with Dan. In this episode, we are going to look at revenue or sales. What constitutes revenue? Revenue or sales, what constitutes revenue? Revenue is the money generated from the normal operations of the business. The normal operations of the business is the money brought into the company by its core business activities. So as a business, the core business activities of your establishment, the revenue that comes out of it, the money that is generated from it is what is called sales. All other income that the business generates other than from the normal operations of the business are termed as other income or non-operating income. Practically, look at a business that you're doing. Let's just take you operate a provision shop. So you sell provisions and you have a van which you use to sell the provisions. Okay, so the normal operations of your business is to sell provisions. Let's just assume that your van has an accident, and then after repairing it, you decide to sell the van. The money that you get from the van is not your sales. That is not the revenue that you get from normal operations. That is the one-off activity that you did. You disposed of the van. So the income that came in is called other income, other operating income, and not your revenue. Keep that in your mind as we delve deeper into understanding revenue and sales. Revenue is also known as the top line because that appears on the top line. It is the top line. When you look at a typical financial statement, the top line, the first line, is the revenue or the sales. It has a meaning, it has significance. Follow me closely. It is calculated as the average sales price times the number of units sold for products. Okay, for a typical product, the sales is the selling price times the quantity of the product that is sold. Okay, so if you are selling books and you sold 5 books at 10 cedis, so 10 times 5 will give you 50. That is the sales. Okay, if you're selling a service, then it is a service rendered times the number of clients served. So if per client you charge them 2,000 cedis and you're able to serve 10 clients, it means that it is 2,000 times 10, which gives you the sales. Okay, revenue is also referred to as sales, as I have mentioned already. What is today's finance dose? Now listen carefully. Revenue is the top line of all business operations and therefore must be the top of mind in all business deliberations and transactions. Business expenditures must necessarily have a correlation in boosting revenue, whether directly or indirectly. Thank you for staying with us. Catch you again on the next one.